Hey Paperlovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for Bramble Fox. It's Josephine here with another process video, making a scrapbook page with the gorgeous perspectives from Bramble Fox, of course. And I started my uh, layout with a cut file from Page Evans, and I pick up with the Simple Stories Happy Hearts collection. And I love this pink love sugar sweet collection. And I glue the cut file on top of the design paper that I already cut to size for my cut file, and I use some elements of the cut file and draw them over on some design paper, and I stitch the edges with golden sewn threads, and then I use some 3D foam and I place the elements on top of my cut file. So my cut file is in place, and I already cut some design paper to size, put it behind my photo from me and my husband, a black and white photo, because there is a lot of color on my page, so I prefer for black and white color as well. And it's a photo from me and my husband, and we love to make boat trips when the weather is bright and sunny, and we love to make boat trips on the water with a good glass of wine and some snacks, of course. So the title for this page, I use a perspectives title, um, Cherish the Little Things, and I love the purple colored perspective, and I place it under my photo, under my black and white photo, and I decorate my page further with some perspective flowers, and I use the light blue perspective flowers, and I create a little cluster with my perspectives. Now it's time to decorate my page further with die cuts, stickers, labels, and gorgeous embellishments from the Simple Stories Happy Hearts collection. And I love the dimension that I create with my clusters by using some adhesive and 3D foam. And look at these cute little wax seal stickers that I got from a local store and combine perfect with this collection. So it's super sweet, and I love these stickers. And yes, here I made a cluster with some perspectives, some flower perspectives around my title, and I use some glossy accent to help my perspectives in place on my layout. And I'm very happy how my layout turned out for so far. And here I use some sewing threads, and I put it under a cluster, and I love how that turned out. The sewing threads, some extra sewing threads on my layout. And when I'm finished with decorating my page, it's time to make some white and festive splatters on my page. But first I added some distress oxide splatters. The color that I use is picked raspberry, and I mix it with a little bit of water and splashing around with the pink splatters around my page. And when my pink splatters are dry, I use some gesso that I mix with a little bit of water and made, of course, my white and festive splatters. So this is my latest layout for Bramble Fox, and I'm taking a little break for a while because I want to spend more time to my family and travel and making some memories with each other. And I want to thank you for all your sweet support and messages. And Mark, thank you so much for being there for me, and that you give me a chance at the Bramble Fox design team. I'm so thankful for that too. And guys, it really means a lot to me. And I love this beautiful scrapbook community with all the beautiful inspiration and lovely ladies. So thank you for watching my video for today. I wish you a happy and crafty day, and I hope to see you soon, friends. Bye bye.